I used to think all robot vacuums were like wiping down a table with a wet cloth. Pretty clean, right? But when I saw the typical dual-plate robot vacuums in action, just pushing dirt around and making things worse, that was until I discovered real mopping technology with the YEEDI newest robot vacuum. Now we can finally say goodbye to ineffective cleaning. Meet the YEEDI S14 PLUS, the robot vacuum that can always cleanse itself. Even though it's called a Plus, it's not like the iPhone Plus. The packaging is compact and you can easily unbox it on a small table. The minimalist design and lack of excessive packaging gave me a great first impression. Both the station and the robot vacuum follow YEEDI's signature design, clean, angular, and no unnecessary frills. The two transparent water tanks on top gave away that this is an all-in-one Omni station, integrating functions like auto empty, hot water mop washing, and hot air drying. The robot itself is sleek with just one button on top. You will notice that the S14 Plus has no protruding parts on top, meaning it ditches the traditional radar design, allowing it to navigate through tighter spaces. While S14 Plus is definitely a good-looking robot vacuum, that's not the main reason you'd buy it, right? Its biggest innovation is hidden underneath. We all know that the traditional robot vacuums with the mopping functions just smear dirt around with vibrating or rotating mops. But the roller mop changes everything. Take the S14 Plus's roller mop for example. It's equipped with the Tingno's latest tech, delivering 4,000 pounds of pressure while mopping and self-cleaning with a wiper. No more smearing dog poop everywhere. It follows a simple 4-step process: spraying, washing, squeezing, then water recovery. It can tackle pretty much any stain, even dried up spills, without breaking a sweat. Seriously, this might just be an ultimate solution for robot vacuum mopping. But there's still one challenge robot vacuum face: cleaning corners. While side brushes can sweep dust out of the corners for vacuuming, how do you mop those tight spots? YEEDI's answer: extend the roller mop. Using an electric sliding mechanism, the mop module extends out, ensuring no cleaning dead zones. It's a simple yet brilliant solution. Why didn't anyone think of such a simple solution before? Well, people were just worried about that the electric module might break easily. The fact that YEEDI dared to use this design shows that they already figured out how to prevent damage to the extendable mop. The excellent obstacle avoidance capability is the key to ensuring that the S14 Plus is not easily damaged. The S14 Plus uses a combination of mechanical sensors, RGB cameras, and a LiDAR for obstacle avoidance. With the YEEDI's latest IV 3.0 and INA 2.0 technology, you don't need to worry about its ability to avoid obstacles. But it's not just the robot that needs to avoid obstacles. The roller mop at the back also needs to adjust. To handle this, YEEDI added a structured light sensor on the side, which scans the 3D space with a high precision, telling the roller mop how much to extend to avoid obstacles. S14 Plus not only has an extendable mop, but its side brushes can also extend out a bit. It don't stick out super far, but combined with its crazy 18,000 pound suction power, it's easily one of the strongest robot vacuums we've ever tested. For comparison, many robot vacuums maxed out at below 10,000 pound of suction power, so the 18,000 pound of suction power is a clear standout, offering more effective dirt removal from carpet and hard floors alike. The carpet mode is particularly impressive because it can detect carpet's area automatically. When it moves from a tire or wood surface onto a carpet, it ramps up the suction power, ensuring that even deeply embedded dirt and dust are sucked up. It will always clean the carpet before going to other areas, preventing contamination of the carpet. This feature is ideal for homes with mixed flooring. Alright, so we set up a home-like scene for the S14 Plus, complete with some obstacles and dust scattered around. I won't talk you through the whole testing process, it's way too long, but let me just cut to the chase and give you the results. As you can see, when it faces the crumbs near the wall or on the carpet, it can clean them quite easily. Then, if there's some hair on the carpet, the powerful suction power can deal with it without any problem. When it comes to some coke on the floor, it would be cleaned by the roller mop quite effectively. The same goes to the ketchup on the floor. Lastly, for some objects on the floor, it can navigate through them quite easily and never tip them over. So overall, the cleaning and vacuuming performance is very good, also for the good navigation capability. So as YEEDI's latest and most advanced flagship robot vacuum, the S14 Plus is very good. It's nearly flawless in every aspect, and the extendable side brush and roller mop is a game changer. If you're looking for a robot vacuum to clean your home but can't stand dirt and dust in the floors, the YEEDI S14 Plus might be your only option. Of course, if I had to point out one downside, it would be that the price isn't exactly cheap. But to be fair, that's just what you'd expect to pay for a top-of-the-line robot vacuum. Other brands are in the same ballpark. So yeah, it's definitely worth the price. If you like it, remember to check out the link down below. We're from Gizmochina. See you next time.